Mike here from Ripatuned. We just got done doing Brian's RTRX 850 package on his TRX. So next in line we have the 6.4 392 Jeep. Customer noticed that the check engine came on for a thermostat. So what we're going to end up doing, we're going to end up changing out the thermostat, taking care of the code, seeing if it comes back, if the thermostat opens or not, and go from there. We also do our scheduled maintenance on your Gen 3 Hemis, 5.7, 6.4, 6.1, anything hellcat related, we all do it. Stay tuned for the next project.